The capture video task is essential for enabling video streaming, recording, and fully utilizing your surveillance system. Unlike the USB camera capture task, which is automatically added when you connect a USB camera, the capture video task for ONVIF cameras must be manually added. In this video, we will walk you through how to manually configure the capture video task for an ONVIF camera and explain its setup process. Before we begin configuring the capture video task, ensure your ONVIF camera is connected to the network and recognized by Banalytics. Check out our tutorial on ONVIF camera configuration for more details. Now, let's add the capture video task. To do this, navigate to the camera settings, click the camera title, and select Media Capture Task in the bottom right corner. Let's go over the available configuration options. Restart on failure. This option defines how the system should react if an error occurs. If the system detects an error, it will try to restart the task after a set delay. The default is a 10-second delay. Device. Choose the ONVIF camera you've already configured for the Banalytics server. Media profile. Select a media profile for your camera that Banalytics retrieves after connecting. We'll cover how to configure these profiles in more detail later. Rotate image. If your camera is not mounted level, this option lets you adjust the image's orientation without physically moving the camera. Disable audio. This allows you to disable the audio from the camera if it's not needed in your surveillance setup. RT buffer measured in megabytes. This setting specifies the maximum memory allocated for buffering real-time frames. If you're using a higher resolution video, you might want to increase this to ensure smooth streaming. Max FPS. This setting allows you to limit the video capture rate, even if the camera's configured FPS is higher. This can be useful to reduce bandwidth usage for tasks like motion detection. Now, let's see how the media profiles are configured. Navigate to the camera's web interface. Let's configure the media profiles according to Banalytics recommendations: real-time remote monitoring, motion detection, and low bandwidth. As we go through the profile configurations, you'll see how these settings are reflected in the Banalytics capture video task setup. Once the capture video task is added, the video feed should start streaming immediately. If it doesn't, check your camera's configuration options. Let's take a look at what could go wrong. One common issue is selecting the wrong transport protocol. If this happens, go to your camera settings and adjust the transport protocol to one that is supported by the camera. That's it. We've successfully configured the capture video task, and now your ONVIF camera is ready for motion detection, remote monitoring, or any other use case you need. Visit Banalytics.live to explore our software and start optimizing your camera settings today.